Through in this video, we are going to see about today Android fragment. The fragment is nothing but guys, it is represents a behavior or a portion of the user interface in a fragment activities. So we can say simply we can say it is one of the kind of sub activities. Suppose in your example or in your application, you want to handling two activities in a same page. So you are novel about. So every page you are considered as the activity. So some situation you are most required for more than one activity you have to handling in your same page. So that situation you can use this fragment. So fragment is nothing but guys, it's one of the kind of sub activities. You can segregate your interface two partition or three partition or five partition based on your design and based on your requirements. Let me see guys how to implement this fragment in our activity. See guys, this is my basic activity. So now I'm going to integrate my fragment based on my thing. So initially guys here, so my activity having the constraint layout. So here I'm going to change first of all my constraint layout to linear layout. So here no necessary to create, only you have to implement linear layout only. So whatever layout you are required as per your design, you can choose it. And after then converting your layout, so you have to create fragment activities in your Java file. So go to the Java folder and click the basic Java fragment, your package, Java package, and right click on the Java package folder and go to new, and see guys here the fragment is there. See guys, these all are the type of fragments, and here I'm going to create the blank fragment only. So I'm choosing the blank fragment and giving name for fragment. So this is activity 1, and just click finish. Okay, see guys, here inside the Java package our fragment activity files are created, and here in simultaneously inside the layout, so our XML file also has been created here. Okay, so this is the one activity. Another one fragment I required for my design, so that's what I'm creating. Another one fragment here. This is also blank, and I'm giving name for my second fragment is activity 2. So you guys successfully made a 2 fragment file. So my thing is these two these two activities I'm going to integrate my main homepage. And simultaneously it's also created. So 2 XML file also created. And now I'm opening my XML file. I'm going to some changes in my first fragment activity homepage. See guys here. So by default one text view is there, and I'm going to change some property for text view. So this is the content and the title. So I'm changing the attribute is app content. So inside the text attribute, I'm giving value for activity 1, and also I need some other one property size. It's like font size, text size. So here 30 dB, and text color. So here I'm giving a red dark, And so I want to place my text view in center page. So here layout gravity equal to center. So for this activity, I'm changing background color for my first fragment activity. Color is blue dark. Okay, guys, these settings we made some changes in the fragment activity XML, first fragment activity XML file, and now I am going to second activity. So here also same way I'm changing some properties. Wrap and height also, wrap content and text size 30 dp and text color, and this time I'm using green. And inside the text, so I'm changing the value. I am activity 2. Layout gravity center. In same way, I'm changing my activity background color is red. Okay, guys, we made two fragment activities. So first activity is showing message I am activity 1, and the second activity showing message activity 2. So here I'm going to integrate these two activities in your same activity. So just click on the main activity. See guys, just double click on your layout, and in common folder, say the common folder there is a fragment, the tool is the view is there, and just click on the fragment and drag and drop on the linear layout or whatever layout you're choosing now. Okay, just first I'm placed first my fragment is activity 1. Just click on the activity 1. Suppose you want to second activity become your first activity, now just choose a second activity first. So I want a first activity only. I'm choosing click on the activity 1 and click OK. So the first activity created, and same way just I'm click again because we have two activities now. Just again I'm drag and drop the second fragment, and this time I'm choosing activity 2. Okay, guys. So now we have our home activity is segregated to fragments. So fragment 1 and fragment 2, and fragment 1 contains activity 1, activity 1, and fragment 2 is contain activity 2. So I am enlarging my activity. Okay, see guys, let me check whether it is working or not. And now I'm starting my emulator. Okay, see guys, here our activities. So our main activity is segregated to fragment, the fragment 1, and I am activity 1, and fragment 2, I am activity 2. So in case you want to design in different manner in activity 1 format, in case just go to the fragment activity 1 and do more design here. For example, here I am creating another one more view button. And this is a match wrap content. And text. text equal to button 1 and ID is btn1 and just close it, and here the layout gravity is left. Center horizontal. Okay guys, see one more view I added in activity 1. So let me check guys how these changes can impact in our fragment design. So again I'm restart my emulator. See guys, results came here. I made one design in activity 1, fragment activity 1, and it's reflected here. So this way you can design and separately guys, and you can not only for vertical, horizontal also, you can add more activities also. So it's based on your design guys. Okay, thank you so much guys. We will meet another one example. Thank you. Bye.